Hi there, this is Rob, and this is the 2-minute overnight overview for Wednesday. S&P futures closed down just barely for the second day in a row and squarely in the middle of the recent range. This failed to trigger any compelling studies in the Edge Finder. The odds sheet also showed unremarkable numbers. Price action suggested a moderate upside edge. Internals did as well, but seasonality favored the downside. Altogether, it looked like even odds, and it wasn't just even odds for ES, but for all the ETFs and futures. So it was a no-brainer to pass on taking an overnight position in this case. Now let's take a look and see how it played out. ES closed at 1407.75, and as has been the case lately, overnight action was rather muted. A relatively strong move up in the 8 a.m. hour won it for the bulls as ES opened up one measly point. So let's turn to the daily chart and I'll show a setup we may want to consider for today. ES has opened the week with lower closes both Monday and Tuesday. I look back to 2000 for other times ES closed down for at least the third day in a row, and today was Wednesday. I also required a close above the 200-day moving average. Of course, this study will only trigger if we do get another down close today. So let's see how the overnights performed under such circumstances in the past. There have been 25 instances over the test period. 17 led to gaps up the next day, and 8 were followed by downward gaps. The average overnight posted a little over a 1.5 point gain. Looking at the recent trades, we can see that the last 2 instances were followed by down gaps, so the edge has not played out so far in 2012. Still, I believe it's worth some consideration. Of course, I'll require strong odds sheet numbers and possibly other confirming studies before putting an overnight position to work.